Okay lads, just super quick video show you how the content aware fill works in the newest Photoshop, that's the CC 2019. So I've got the picture of us here, I've selected the area that Brandy's in. Unfortunately Brandy, you're going to go. So what you do is you go to edit, content aware fill, and it shows you over here what it's replacing it with. So I want to get rid of Brandy, but it's kind of not got rid of him, it's put Rob's hat in and stuff, not very useful. What you can do is you've got these tools to have a brush here that you can adjust. I think the size is actually perfect at the moment. So I don't want Rob's hat appearing there, I kind of want nothing to appear there, so let's get rid of Rob's hat from the equation. In fact, just get rid of Rob entirely. Now you see like there's hands and stuff appearing, so yeah, we probably don't want hands to be in that selection, do we? So we get rid of those. And remove that from the area it will sample. Actually, no, it doesn't look too bad, but you could go a little bit more extreme. You could get rid of the other areas that you really don't want there, like the text, Roebuck, or me. You don't want there, get rid of those as well, and you end up with a much cleaner result, and you're done.